There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright.
Yeah, alright. Days get mixed up, schedules get switched up. Can't be two places at once. So I take a hit of the spliff that I lit up and forget I had to be anywhere at all. Goddamn, how the mighty will fall. They wanna see me gone, but I'm here in spite of it all. I never play along. You can keep the fear and self-pity. I'd rather tell you who I am, really. This is not the wake-up call. I am the hotel operator. I don't owe nobody favors. I don't know how the fuck I've been around so long. Busy as an escalator in a crowded mall. It's like every year I realize my house too small. Get paid, upgrade, 2 cribs, new maids, more flights, few planes. Live out my suitcase. Lose days like loose change. I swear my life is on Blu-ray. Welcome to Doomsday. The world needs a hero and I am your Bruce Wayne. Kind of like Luke Cage. Well, you keep on running, we keep on pushing your buttons.
There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright. I run around with open scissors. They taking pictures. I could lose my head to grow instead. Gets only bigger. I put one foot in front of the other. I never said to waste your time with water and wine. I'm turning liquid to metal. Still the same dude that used to never be sure. When I was way more insecure, did not feel better before. No. Umbrellas never could weather the storm. No sympathy for the devil. Too busy building the temple. I am looking beyond, leaving them looking hot as the grill. I'm putting them on when I be cooking. I keep on running if I have to. Medusa never turned me to a statue. No, I keep it moving, but keep it low. You can do your thing, shit to each their own. But you better do something. We keep on pushing your buttons. There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright.
I don't got a reason to lie. They gave me the key to the sky, but I'd rather open my eyes, cause that's what'll keep me alive. Something that sees in my mind. Please do not fuck up my day. Everybody want a headline, I don't got nothing to say. Except I'm coming back with the freshness. You know I love making an entrance. Now, don't get defensive. Time is a matter of seconds. 1, 2, yeah. Off to see the wizard, leave the picture. Me and liquor, evil mixture, demons, glitter, cleaning whiskers. He be Mr. Fisherman. Back on my shit again. Doing my own dance. Feel the rhythm, there's no hands. I tell your vision like programs. Busy living on triple digits, young old man. Y'all dead wrong. I'm upper with the echelon. So butter when the bread long. I'm going strong to my head gone and my head gone. Yeah, floating back up on the scene, I'm saying hello. Do my thing, I'm pulling strings like Tom Morello. I keep it moving, you'll be doing way too much. I ain't telling time, just tell you when it's up. Yep. Yeah, I'm only keeping good company. I am not talking to you if you don't have love for me. Yeah, one for you and one for me. I am not talking to you if you don't have love for me. Yeah, I mean wow, do not touch that dial. I've waited a while, been around just like word of mouth. Baldy, who gon' hear me out? And I put that on my house. I'm always going overboard, I better swim before I drown. I'm like rubber with the bounce, 100 beat the count, drumming loud as thunder with the sounds, yeah. I was younger, fuck around, every summer wild, always had it jumping at the house. Yeah, clapping for y'all, I'm into having it all, feeling like Shaq with the call, stature is tall, rolling around with the homies, a battery pack with my dogs, fuck with my thoughts, having enough ain't a lot, putting a check in the box, straight to the top, it don't matter, never mind the pattern when you taking them shots. Enough with the bullshit, enough with the bullshit, enough with the extras, fuck up my money, I swear I've been through it. Fuck all the losing, that's just an illusion. Gotta keep them coming back for more to keep it moving. Yeah, I'm only keeping good company. I am not talking to you if you don't have love for me. Yeah, one for you and one for me. I am not talking to you if you don't have love for me. Follow me another way. Yeah, you know you better stand, goddamn. Put your hands together. Everybody got money, get the band together. Moving like you can't stand the weather, but it ain't gon' rain always.
Everything that I have, I'm thanking God for it now. I'm taking all of my trees, proceed to breaking it down. Through it fucking with ground levels, we in the clouds. Stay reclining my seat, smoking, leaning it back. Living like rock and roll, but still doing this rap music. Moving through stats, always moving the crowd. If Wiz Khalifa's on your campus, then I'm probably smoking loud with a bad one coming out. Talking about, keep your cool so we don't hear the hate and doubt. They just mad cause they ain't making to the clouds. Tried their best but they just ain't getting accounted for. We ain't going back and forth, I ain't just start multiple trends, I open doors. Provided a style for you and yours. I made the class, you studied the course. Games to be sold, not told, hope that you could afford it. Make sure the private plane cold as soon as I board it. More concerned with stocks and mortgages than little boy shit. Famous girl, she on my line, she need a dick appointment.
Yeah. Tell me who really wanted everything that they talking about. I already done it, don't fuck with they narrative. And how they spun it like Clive Campbell, I'ma set an example. My flow ample, over this sample, leader be trampled. Never win to ramble, head to toe in that camo. Blowing up trees like Rambo, this is the way bitch I'm reppin' that Mando. Get a lot of money, don't need a Lambo. Back in the day, I was in a minivan though. Back in the day, I was in a minivan though. Sipping on something and whipping it slow. 2010, I remember when I was living there. My godmother's in G-Bird, that's my word. Bumpin' Mac Miller, kids, cushion OJ Wiz. Look in the mirror, I'm hoping it's his day. Give a fuck what the kids say. Logic bringing it back to the rap shit. That two dope boys, that pip. Give a fuck about a rap list. Winning a million, I'm on that list. On the map like an atlas. Talk shit, get hit with a fat lip. Smoking that Buddha, then dipping the pussy. We call it the catnip. Run the game like a 30-90. Leave them all behind me. Step back, motherfucker, don't try me. Cause I'm me. You know it's logic.
Crazy. Don't try to rap along. Don't try to recite it. Don't waste your time. I know no one else can't do that. I already know. I know that.